Warps transport an avatar on a ride through space. You cannot warp from one world to another. To create a warp, we're going to copy an object. We're going to copy this sign, bring it up, make it a warp sign. And now we're going to add a semicolon and a new trigger, bump, and warp, command, and then coordinates. And note that we're going to move from 1 south and 5 east facing east to 2 south and 7 east, remaining at the same altitude, which is indicated down here at the bottom. You do 1/10 the value. 312.7 meters translates to 31.27 A for altitude, and 270 is east. So now, when we walk into this warp, we've actually bumped into another bump warp that is adjacent to it in the task space, and it's taken us for a warp ride. There are invisible objects out here that we're bumping into as we go around, and eventually it will take us back inside of the task space so that you can continue your activity.